Because what we see after divorce, there are two major parties that suffers the consequences of divorce. Number one usually is the wife, especially if the husband was the provider, the sole provider, and the wife didn't start a business or look for a job, or develop themselves, like go to school, do a branding or socialize networking, so that he can know how to provide for herself after divorce. The most people that are vulnerable to divorce are children. Children suffer rejection. You cannot tell me otherwise. I know I've experienced it, and I'm seeing other children experience it. You'll say it's not rejection. I know it's rejection, because there's a certain way that a child feels if one of their parents are giving them ultimatums that I will help you only if you choose me. I will help you. I will do this for you only if you let go of your other parent. And that is parent alienation. So what I'm saying today is that spend your time in prayer, ask for direction on how to go about marriage, so that you are able to really prove it together with your partner and your spouse after marriage. And when the attack comes, you overcome them. And we have a happy wife, a happy husband, we have happy children that are looking forward to the future, that have all the support of both parents, without many people attached into them.